Yeah, that list of KI Guy idols from the Guess Who game. If I was a KI Guy idol, I already told you this, but it can be anything.
Oh, they're asking for an encore. Please. What song would it be? Would it be
the Home and Away theme song, with a duet with Charmpoint and Reza? I thought it would have been Puppy Love like the crowd said.
That's why they call it puppy love. No kimochi. Yeah, apari koitane puppy love.
Actually, since you and Yoshiko are also in the photo, why not play the summer song? Or this boy band Nexum and Feel styled song.
And that's how Rab Guy is like every time we go to an KI Guy Idols concert.
Well, that's the end of the concert. Time for alert time. I think Nick Simon has gone to the toilet. He'll make his entrance while playing this. Yeah, just like that.
Now for the post-show music. Hit it, homie Robert.
You're unbelievable.
Crap, we actually forgot to play EMF at the In Bloom concert. We only played GoAnimate, but next time, at Davina's debut single release.
And now it's time to take a photo with Hibiscus Idols, Charmpoint, and Reza. Let's do it. Damn it, Zero. Not with flash. Now you can't see the Nick Simon photo. At least we got the checky photo of Charmpoint and Reza.
Any Nick Simon songs we can think of that we play. Some of the idols has gone home, but we can still play Frick It, play Firehouse. Alright, that's all for the In Bloom concert. We had so much fun at the In Bloom concert, and we'll see the majority of the idols in 2 weeks, for Davina's debut single release.